Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Drew Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the performance video of BGYO with their song entitled Patintero. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to BGYO, just check on my channel. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one because this is their performance video. So parang nariakan ko yata yung lahat nilang performance with regards to this song Patintero. Bago kasi ito eh. Hello Aces! So, i-check natin yung performance video nila. EBS-CBN. Oh! Ibang location na naman yung performance video nila. Hindi yung parang nasa kalye. Ang ganda! Masyadong makulay. Ang colorful. Galing ni Mickey mag-rap talaga. Ooh! Crop top JL ha? May pakita-kita pang tiyan. Okay. Ang ganda ng kuan guys ha? Contrast ng blue at saka yung ano nila, suot. Si JL, tingnan mo. May pakita-kita pa ng tiyan. Ang ganda na performance video nila. Jello. Halika natin pero. Wow, neat. Guys, napansin ko parang may piercing si Nate dito. Wow guys, ang ganda ng ano nila, performance video. Gusto ko yung ano sa video niya, ang klaro, masyadong maliwanag, klarong-klaro, yung contrast ng blue at saka yung suot nila, ang ganda tingnan. Then ang ganda pala ng ano nila, no, dance choreo, ang galing nila sumayaw. Gusto ko yung footwork nila, ang galing, at saka yung synchronization, dance dynamic, as well as yung mga blockings nila. It's really on point. Wow. Ang ano din, ang ganda lang nilang panoorin, ang sarap sa mata ba, yung parang happy sila habang nagsasayaw, parang lumalabas yung ano, yung youthful side nila. So it's really fantastic and it's really amazing. Ang falsetto ni JL. Gapo ni Aki. Tingnan mo yung suot ni Jello. Parang setro. Nate. Galing talaga sumayaw, oh. Naka 1M na yung ano nila guys ha, music video. Ilang days lang. Ang cool ng ano nila, performance video. Nakita mo talaga yung all choreo nila, ang galing, ang sarap panoorin nila. Parang ang saya-saya niya tingnan yung Lagi lang siya nakasmile. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the performance video of BGYO with their song entitled Patintero. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.